I like bird school because you get to go outside and learn about birds instead of just staying in a class and being told the knowledge. You get to actually experience it.
Bird school is important because we live in a really amazing place and we're really lucky for that, but a lot of people aren't educated and they don't know how cool this place is.
In addition to learning about birds, you can also develop skills like logical reasoning and identification and a lot of other important things to science.
You get to go outside and actually have more of a hands-on experience instead of being cooped up in the classroom. You get to get your energy out and at the same time learn and have fun.
I like bird school because you get to go out in the environment and actually enjoy what's happening instead of just learning about it like in textbook.
It educates a younger generation about birds and how to protect them, and I think that's important because birds are an important part of the ecosystem.
It teaches kids about the environment and they don't really care much about it, but when you get outside with nature you learn what humans have done to that's affected birds and how we can help them.
I'm more observant about everything that's going on around me. And the other day we were on a walk with my family, and I spotted an Anna's hummingbird, and I was like, "Mom, that's an Anna's hummingbird."